Did you know drone bees aren't just lazy males waiting to mate? Here's what most people miss. Right now, in late summer Sydney, drones play a secret role that can decide hive survival. Watch closely. Drones gather at the entrance, but some are deep inside, acting as living heaters. As foraging slows and nights cool down, these big-bodied bees help regulate the brood nest temperature, clustering tightly around young bees and vibrating their wings to generate warmth. This looks like random buzzing, but it's vital. Without enough drones, the hive struggles to keep the queen's last brood warm, risking weak winter bees that may not survive. Here's the twist. Many beekeepers think drones are useless after mating season, but in Sydney's late summer, removing them too soon can stress the hive and reduce its resilience. A hive full of drones may look wrong, but it's perfectly normal here. The real risk is misjudging their timing and removing drones prematurely. If you want robust bees ready for autumn nectar flows, let drones finish their hidden job. This is what we're seeing right now at Bee-Croft Honey in Sydney. Drone bees, quietly working behind the scenes to keep the colony strong.